Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3, part 2 of your spoken English course level 1. If you want to speak English confidently in daily life, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to learn daily use English sentences with meanings and practice. So don't just watch, repeat after me. Let's begin. Section 1, Greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, Good morning, how are you? How's your day going? Long time, no see. What are you up to? Nice to meet you. Repeat after me, listen carefully, and keep practicing. One more time. Good morning, how are you? How's your day going? Long time, no see. What are you up to? Nice to meet you. See how easy it is. Now let's use it in a small conversation. Person A, good morning, how are you? Person B, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Person A, I'm doing great. It's okay if your English is not perfect. Just try. Trying is most important, okay? Now, section 2. Here are some common English sentences we can use at home. Let's see. Keep repeating. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm feeling a bit tired today. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Let's clean the room. Let's clean the room. Now let's practice it like a dialogue. Mom, what's for dinner? You can reply, I'm making vegetable soup, or you can say, I'm making rice and vegetables. Practice daily, speak confidently. Now let's learn some common English phrases you can use at a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order this. I'd like to order this. Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? Could I get some water? Could I get some water? The food is really delicious. The food is really delicious. Now time for role play practice. Waiter, what would you like to order, sir? You, I'd like to order this, or you can say, I would like to order a cheeseburger. Waiter, anything else? You can say, yes, some water, please. See how easy and interesting. Practicing and keep improving. Now, here are some common English sentences you can use while shopping. Let's see. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Can I get a discount, please? Can I get a discount? I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. I'll take this. Pause and repeat. Pause and repeat. Keep practicing. Speak confidently. Practice time. Shopkeeper, can I help you? Your response, I'm just looking, thank you. See how easy it is. All you need just practice. Let's practice some common and useful English sentences we use for daily activities every now and then. Let's have a look. I'm on my way. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. I'm running late. I'm running late. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and keep practicing. Example, friend, where are you? You can say, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Next, here are some common expressions for fluency boosters. These make your English sound natural. Small expressions can build strong connections and big confidence. Let's practice. No problem. That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. It depends. Repeat. No problem. That sounds good. I agree with you. I don't think so. It depends. Let's practice it. Friend, let's watch a movie. Your response, that sounds good. Now a speaking practice challenge for you. Now it's your turn. Speak 5 sentences about your day using what you learned. Try to talk in English for 1 minute. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Keep practicing. Practice daily. Speak confidently. Okay? Practice daily. Improve confidence. Speak fluently. That's all for today. If you practice these sentences daily, your English will improve very fast. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment. I will practice daily. See you in the next lesson.